תתארו לכם באמצע יום יפה, שמיים עליכם, אהבה איתכם, כן ככה זה קרה, לפתע היא אמרה, אני עוד זוכר אותה.
Shabbat Shalom. We hope you're having a wonderful week, and we're so excited that spring is really here.
Indeed.
This Shabbat we'll be celebrating the Bar Mitzvah of Gregory Novikov at 9:30 a.m. on May 26th, with whom we spoke earlier this week. Gregory, would you say a word about your Dvar Torah?
My Dvar Torah is about going from unfaithfulness to the Jewish faith.
Interesting. We look forward to learning from you on your Bar Mitzvah. Mazel Tov.
Mazel Tov.
We hope you can join us the following Friday on June 1st, beginning at 5:15, for the beginning of the summer's barbecue and barhu, a chance to say hello to all of your friends, enjoy delicious barbecue, and a wonderful musical Kabbalat Shabbat.
We'll follow that up the next day on Saturday, June 2nd, with the Bar Mitzvah of Marty Gordon, actually his second Bar Mitzvah, and we spoke with Marty a little bit earlier this week as well. Marty, would you say a word about your Haftarah?
Okay, my Haftarah is about a do-over. It's returning to Israel from exile.
Interesting. We look forward to hearing you chant it and celebrating your second Bar Mitzvah on Shabbat. Mazel Tov.
Thank you.
Mazel Tov.
Thank you.
As you make your way up Piper Road, no doubt you've seen the beautiful Gan Shalom, which has been tenderly and lovingly been remodeled and changed over the past few years. We're having a special cleanup day, which will take place throughout the morning on June 3rd. You feel free to come and you can help clean up and organize things both in the building and outside the building, and lots of unhealthy and delicious snacks to enjoy as well.
Lovely, and we thank all of our volunteers who've been working so hard on making Temple Amunah the beautiful space that it is.
Join us on June 9th for a special morning Shabbat service, Brotherhood Shabbat, where different members of the Brotherhood will lead our tefillot, and I'll have a chance to speak on Israel's environmental policy.
The following day, Sunday, June 10th, is our annual awards and installation evening. It will begin at 6:30 p.m. with Mincha, and will be a chance to celebrate and honor all of our lay leaders who have served our community so well over the last couple of years, and honor Amy Zaslow and our family of the year, the Zaslows. Mazel Tov to all of them. Please look for the link to how to sign up for that evening.
We look forward to seeing you throughout the month at any of these programs. Check the calendar for all of the programs for the month. We hope to see you soon. Shabbat Shalom.
יש תקווה, נשיר כולנו יחד, יש אמונה חזקה מכל הפחד, לא ניפול, לא נרד, כי אנחנו לא לבד, יש לנו השם אחד, יש תקווה, נשיר כולנו יחד.
As you've driven into the building, you shouldn't drive into the building, right?
That was painful.
Yeah. As you make